Welcome to another video of Circuit Digest. In this video, I'll show you how you can interface the LoRa module with Arduino and how you can transmit information from one Arduino board to the other one. So here I have the receiver setup that's connected to my laptop. You can also see the breadboard module that's powered by the adapter, and over here I'm already receiving data from the transmitter module. Now I am receiving a message called hello 23, which is being received from the transmitter module. I'll show you the transmitter module shortly, but here you can see the message that I'm getting from the transmitter module as well as the received signal strength indicator, RSSI. So currently we're getting hello 26. Now let's walk over to the transmitter module. The transmitter module is placed away from here, so I'll just walk over to it. The transmitter is in this corner of the room, and as you can see I have another LoRa module which is acting as a transmitter that's connected to the Arduino Uno board, and it's powered by a power bank here so that I can move it remotely. Let me reset the Uno so that we'll see that we get the message from 0 again. So earlier it was hello 36 somewhere, so now let's walk back to the laptop and check if we are getting the values from 0. So here we are, and over the screen you can see that the readings have started from 0 again. So that's it. So this is not the maximum range, you can even take it far away from here, but this is what I was able to show you for the video. And that's it guys, thanks for watching.